Hey guys, just want to jump on here today to kind of give you some tip how I started my woodworking business and start doing construction, self-employed. So a friend of mine basically was storing this saw away, and I picked it up, of course, in free. Just start basically what I start doing is basically finding plywood and start cutting away, slap them together with some screws, and send them down. Buy some letters from Hobby Lobby, make some sign, and start posting those online. Sell, and as I go along, the more I sell, the more money I get. Then start upgrading my tool. I got this cool sander. It was online for $40. I think I paid $20 for it. I always talk people down at least halfway. It's just what I do, and let them give me a price. They will let me know eventually, but sometimes they will take it. So I got this cool sander. Anyways, I got this sprayer today. You can find this maybe Lowe's for like over $100, brand new. I mean, it'd be nice to get brand new stuff, but you know what? I don't have the money. I get what I spend what I have. So I got this today for $20. To me, it's a good deal. Yes, there's paint on it. It's not clean and brand new, but it works. And all it needs is just some cleanup. Probably need a filter, but those are cheap stuff. So it cannot beat over $100, $20 with filter and stuff. Maybe 25. I don't know. So basically, is what I have. Got the money. I make stuff, and also I make the sign. You can find these clamps. You can find these cheap clamps. Hooks. Lettering from Hobby Lobby, again, some wood. If you need like some good deals in wood, I recommend go to a hardware store. A lot of times there's some wood that's starting to warp. They normally don't sell those, but they mark those down extremely, extremely low. Even low enough that even you can talk them down because they want to get rid of it. So I got these wood from Lowe's, and the lettering I bought for probably a couple dollars. These I got for a couple dollars. I have like 8 of them. I have 4 more I may use to make something else. But I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna sell this and buy more tools. I'm gonna get some clamps. See, I make stuff, I sell it, then I upgrade my tools. If I'm not gonna make anything for a client if I don't have the tools to do it. I will let them know, I don't do that, or I will recommend to someone else. I will make what I have. I will make some stuff myself and post it online. And when those money come in, I start to upgrade tools as I go along. I have a list of tools I like to get and in order. I have a list of projects I have and the tools I need. And as I get to those projects, I will make stuff and sell them. Use that money to buy those tools or upgrade from the tools I have. So this little tip, you can start inexpensive or no cost at all. People throw plywood away. You don't want to stay just making plywood stuff. You want to eventually upgrade as you go along. But if you want to start, if you have money to go and buy stuff, by all means, go and buy brand new tools. I'm all for that. I do buy some stuff brand new as I have the money. Just start with what you have. Buy cheap. Walmart now. I just went into Walmart the other day, and I was walking in the aisle, and I realized they even carry tools now. I mean, crazy stuff. Some of the brand I don't recognize, but you can start cheap and work your way up. Just a little tip, just to help you guys. So here today, I'm gonna work on some stuff. I am making some flags. I got my stars, and those flags I'm gonna eventually post online. I'm gonna sell and use that money to get some more tools. Gotta have a list of things that I need to get to start working in my own home, and some stuff for a client. Eventually, I want to work my way up. So just a little tip to help you guys to start your business with low cost or no cost at all. Just find plywood, find wood at the local store, hardware store. Look online. Sometimes people give free stuff away. You don't have to start big right away. Work your way up and save your money, and then make some stuff, sell those, use those money, invest back in the business, and just upgrade it too as you go along. That's how I do it, and that's how I'm gonna keep on doing it. Eventually, I love to have a big shop one day, but for now, I'm in my garage and I'm having fun. I built this table and I can go in and out. I actually built this table from selling some tic-tac-toe. Actually, I sold a tic-tac-toe toilet paper holder. Those probably a big seller of mine when I need upgrade tools, get some money to do some other things. I make them, post it, and sell like the same day or a couple days, and I just upgrade my tools as I go along. So I build this table. I sold some tic-tac-toe holder, buy the wood, make a table. There's caster at the bottom wheel. I can go in and out my garage, and there's a flip on it, so I can flip it up to make bigger project as I go along. So anyway, just me being real with you. Subscribe and follow. Check me out on Instagram, electronshome. Appreciate it. Catch you guys later. Peace.